Hi everyone, it's Jerry and I was just sent this lovely ice bath immersion tub from ONLYCARE, and it all fits conveniently in a tote that they have, not very heavy at all, easily to transport. I want to kind of show you all the different parts of it, and then we're going to fill it up and I'll show you, kind of the sizing of it. One of the features I really do like is it's got this nice insulated cover that goes on this, so whenever you're done you don't necessarily have to drain it out. It's got a zip tie on this that you can kind of cinch it around and kind of hold everything in there, and the fact that it's insulated will help keep that temperature about where you want to have it. It does come with the stand pieces here that we're going to be using to hold this thing up, and then it has the actual unit, which is this right here. We've already used this a couple of times and I can tell you it works well and holds water. It does a great job. This is again a nice insulated piece here. These stand pieces have a foot on the bottom that you're going to put on the bottom, and they're just going to slide up in these holes on the bottom of this here. It's got individual little holes. See if I can show you that here, where these go in here like this, and we're just going to slide them all the way up, and that's going to give this some structural stability on the outside before we go to fill it up. So I'm going to go ahead and put all those in, and then I'm going to also show you this. This is a corrugated drain hose that does attach onto the drain that allows you to go ahead and drain that out away from it. If you're going to be doing this outside and don't necessarily need this, you don't have to use it. But if you're going to be using this on the deck or somewhere inside where you want to be able to drain this into an actual drain, this works out really well and collapses down when you're not using it, which is great there. To inflate the top piece of this does have an inflatable top ring that we're going to have to inflate. And this is kind of ingenious. It comes with this pump. It's got a check valve that's built into this. So to drain it, to open it up, to let all the air out, you simply open up the whole thing. But to pump it up, you actually can leave this part closed. That way when you insert this pump that they've provided and go ahead and pump it up, it will pump up the top rim of this, and it's doing it really quick. You can see how quickly that's already inflating up. But one of the nice parts about it is whenever you're done inflating it, the air won't escape back out. And I'll show you that right now. Look at that. It's not coming out. So you can go ahead and pump that up all you need to until the top of this gets completely full. Pull this out. It's ready to go. Put the cap on. Don't have to worry about that stopping. So now the top rim of that is there. Let me go ahead and put these bottom pegs in here, which will just take a second. We'll start filling it up and then we'll show you the size of it. So before I put any water in here, I kind of wanted to show you how this top cover works. This goes on here like this, and it does have a drawstring on this back side here that allows it to cinch down and pull tight. It'll obviously pull a lot tighter once it's filled with water, but this insulated top is really nice that they have on there that allows you to do that. The front side of this, where the drain is, it's got a nice gate valve on the front of this that allows you to drain it by twisting that like that. And again, you can attach that other corrugated piece on to run that if you wanted to do that. Now I'm 6'2", and so to give an idea, about 190 pounds, to get an idea of the size of it, when this thing is completely full of water, you can easily get clear down in here like this and get clear up here to your head, and I'm not even sitting on the ground yet, so it is a very nice size. I don't know that you could put 3 people in here, but if you really wanted to get a couple of people in here, you probably could. You just have to get a little cozy. So let's go ahead and fill this thing up and show you how it holds water and show you some ice. All right, so you've got your immersion bath filled up. Make sure to leave yourself a little bit of room at the top. Fill this up with some nice ice cold water. Did I say ice cold? Oh yeah, that's because you can use this as an ice bath. So make sure you get plenty of ice. And now, whenever you're ready to get in here and take your nice ice immersion bath, it's all ready. Woo, that's gonna feel nice.